it's Mrs. DeAngelis. I'm at home with Aubrey. We're in her bedroom, and I just wanted to show you a math activity for today. So you're going to see on the screen when you're in the Google Classroom, because you're already in there, when you X out of here, you're going to click over here, and you're going to watch the video. Each day I'm going to have a YouTube video about something in math, and then you're going to click down here, and it says Seesaw. That's the activity journal that we're going to click on. So you always watch the video, and then you come down here and click on Seesaw. So today is a number activity, so I'm going to click on it. Mine might look a little bit different than yours. So you'll want to make sure that you find your name and click on it, or it might already be in your name. And then you'll click Add Response. Oh, here's where I'm going to click your name. So I'm going to pretend I'm a sample student, but if not, you'll find your name. Oh, here's our activity. Order the numbers from smallest to largest. So out of all these numbers, what's the smallest number you see? 2. So you're going to slide the number 2. Wait a second. There's some missing numbers, but out of these, I know that 3, there's no number 4. But what's the next smallest number? 5.
I don't know that one.
Oh, Alexa just heard me. 6. Nope. 7. 8. There it is. Oh, there's a 9. Is there a 10? No. But there's 11. Is there a 12?
No.
13. 14. 15. 16 and 17. When you're done, you might not be able to see it. Let me slide you over. There's always the green. The only way I know you did your work is if you click the green arrow. This one means that you're still working on it and you need more time to come back. So if the bell rings and you need more time to come back, you can still click that. But you must always click the green when you're done, because then I get to see your work. So even though I'm at home, I can see the work that you're doing. Oh, all right. So have fun. Play the video and do the activity. All right. Say bye, Aubrey.
Bye.
Not right now. Maybe later. Bye, friends.